Hi, my name is Josh Westerhouse, and this is for Computer Science 330 Implementation Part B. Everything here is part of the previous implementation, so the only thing different is the remove ingredient and then the modify ingredient amount. So let me slide over to Eclipse here. As you can see, the ingredient has stayed the same, so I'm not going to re-go over that. The recipe is pretty much the same. The only two that I added were the remove ingredient right here and then the modify ingredient amount. As you can see, I did some input validation to make sure if you put something wrong that it gets the correct thing and go from there. So as we go through the tester class, you can see it's the same as before. You create the ingredients. We add the ingredients to the recipe. We display the recipe. I do a little quick tactical pause so we can see kind of what's going on. First thing we do is we modify the recipe using the remove ingredient. So to check for errors, what I do is I try and remove the egg again to make sure that we can't remove something that's not there. And I display all the recipes. Then I also go ahead and modify the ingredient amount. So I tester.modify the ingredient amount. So I make chocolate 1.5 times the ingredient amount. And then I try it again with the egg that does not exist. And then I print it all out again just to make sure we're good. So let's go ahead and run this and see what happens. So as we come up, you can see here we have the ingredients. This is what's initially in our array for our recipes. So then we go to the next. So as we see, we can go down here. The first thing was first, the ingredient egg was removed, which was right here, which we removed our ingredient. And then we tried to do it again. And then as you can see, it popped the error message, ingredient egg not found. And then as we went along, we printed all the ingredients again, which is what we did. And then, maybe we'll scroll this down here. So then we modified the ingredient amount of chocolate to 1.5 times what it is. So as you can see here, scroll down here, chocolate became 1207 calories and it used to be 805. And the same thing, the protein changed from 7 to 10, the carbs changed from 106 to 159, and the amount stayed the same at 3. There's 3 of those. And then we're all set to go. And that should be it. And this is the end.